Lecture number 21, Electrical Energy. Basically, energy is work done, but it appear in different form, and we call at that time that type of energy. So electrical energy is the work done on unit positive charge to move it from low to a high potential or from high to a low potential appear in the form of energy called electrical energy. The definition is little bit complicated. Now to make the definition simple, we consider a circuit diagram as shown. This is a resistor, maybe a bulb, connected with the two terminal of the battery at two ends. When potential difference applied, circuit is closed, then the current will flow across this resistor in this direction and enter to the negative terminal. When these charges are moving, charge is called displacement. So force applied on the charge is called displacement. Where there is force and displacement, work is done. But this work done on the charge by the source or battery. When this charge is passing through this resistor, it collides with the atoms of the resistor, and during collision it loses energy, and this energy appear in the form of heat and light if the resistor is a bulb. As this energy appeared due to the electrical current, that's why it is called electrical energy. Now we will derive equation for the electrical energy. So first of all, we know that what is a potential difference, del V. Potential difference is a work done on unit positive test charge from one point to the other point inside a field. By cross multiplication, W is equal to Q del V. We also know that Q is equal to IT. Put in equation number 2. Here small q, here capital Q, no difference. Q is equal to IT, either it is small q or large capital Q, it will be always equal to IT. So no need to confuse. W is equal to, instead of Q, IT into del V, and del V is a potential difference, and for simplicity in a circuit we represent del V only by V. So del V potential difference, and we also represent voltage or potential difference. So it become ITV. This is equation number 4. Similarly, from Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR. Put this in equation 4 instead of V. Then the equation will become W is equal to IT, and instead of V, IR. So it become I square RT, equation 5. We can change this equation into other form. For this we know that I is equal to V by R. Put in equation number 5, work done will be equal to V square by R square into RT. R will be cancelled with square, so work done will be equal to V square into T divided by R. So this equation 2, equation 4, equation 5 and equation 6 are the equations of electrical energy. Why we use different equation, why we derive different form of electrical energy equation? Because in different situation we have different type of given data. So for our simplicity to solve the numerical problems, we will put that suitable equation where it is applicable. Thank you. If you have any problem, suggest, ask a question through WhatsApp group or directly through call. Thank you.